When grace is absent, faith is useless. Whatever faith is looking for, where in an area where grace is absent, it can't get it. Nigerian government have spent how many billions of naira looking for oil in the north? Looking for oil, when they have not done anything with the ones that are in the south too. We are told they have spent billions. Meanwhile, the north is a minefield of agricultural grace. The money used for exploring for oil in the north, if Nigerian government had used it to build agro-based industries or even ranching, by now we wouldn't even be talking about ranching. They would have built the biggest, most sophisticated ranch in the world. Netherlands, the money they make from just milk and beef is more than Nigerian budget. And we have oil. Look at a nation God bless with arable land. We are looking for oil. Have they found? We should have had more than 100 industries. Both agricultural produce and what do you call them? Products and all of that. We just ate sweet potato chip. Does Nigeria not produce sweet potato? The chip I just ate sweet, they just dried it and added one or two things, put it in one fine pack. I wish I came with a pack. But and the money they use in doing the company that produces, I'm not sure it's up to a fraction of what we use, looking for what does not exist. I'm hearing that a governor in the south is spending 10 billion naira to build an ecumenical center, a place of worship for all Christians. I don't know, is it true? I hope it's not true. I read it on Facebook. That's why I'm throwing it to you now. A governor from South, I think it's Akwa Ibom State. Is there anybody from Akwa Ibom State here? Is it true? It's true. You also heard it, that your governor wants to spend 10 billion naira to build a worship center. And I'm sure in our hearts we'll be clapping for him. Hey, he's a Christian. How many industries have they built? What are you building another house for in a state where I'm sure you can't count the number of churches? The numbers are too big. God doesn't even know where to stay again. He's confused. You're building another one for what? Do you know how many agro-allied industries 10 billion naira can build? For a state when I'm sure it has among thousands of jobless youth. You will build the church, the jobless people will now come to the church and be praying, not knowing that their job is where they are standing on. Why can't we have sense? Or why can't they have sense? What is the meaning of all this? After that, they will tell us that your problem is from Abuja or it's one Fulani man in Aso Rock. Your biggest problem, geometric. In fact, if Abuja is a problem, Abuja's problem in your state is maybe arithmetic. You know what arithmetic is? 1 + 1 is equals to 2. It's simple. Our governors in the south, they are quadratic equation problem. They are. Trust me on this. Is it that when you build a house now, people will enter there and all their problems will be solved? We want to be industrialized. We want to be as prosperous as industrialized nations, but we are not building industries. We are building mega worship centers that are not necessary. And then we enter inside those mega worship centers and be praying to be like industrialized nations. Na sense on I no get. I know they with her. I'm not there among them. Seriously. Nigerian Christians and religious people, including our politicians, they are like a man. God has blessed you with orange tree. No, not orange, mango tree. Mango tree that produces fine mango fruits. When the tree produces mango fruits, what do? You plug the one you can eat, you eat. The ones you can, you sell, Abi, and have money. But our mentality here is that we will cut the tree, saw it into wood, use it to build church. Then we enter inside the church and be praying, God, give me mango. God, give me mango. That's our mentality. That's our mentality. God gave it to you. To watch full videos and get notifications for new ones, Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you.
Sign up with the largest community of Catholics online. Meet new friends, chat, post pictures and videos, make and receive audios and video calls, interact with lots of priests and religions. Download the app from Google Play Store.